Does the poor little man that's inside that thing have to go all the way in there?
Nah, he probably let somebody pick him up. See what I can do. Just remind me to turn them on. And that guy's flying.
Central log checking in coverage.
260, 29.
Clear for Central. Broken.
38377, it's going to be a white female, subject last name wearing a maroon shirt and blue jeans. 380, 2019.
He's just waiting to salt this bridge.
Hi, Joe. Three, 2025.
Flush off the sidewalk.
Ooh.
Oh.
I'm turning around first.
You want to get on the bypass?
It's your call,
We're
babe.
going to need next schedule. We're going to 9330, Boy George George.
Can't see that way.
Let's see how this works out for us.
Oh, jeez.
1143, 20, did you say?
Hmm?
I said, this don't give me a real good warm and fuzzy. You all right?
Yeah.
Joe, what's your salt situation?
Nope, I got it.
I keep forgetting about that.
Huh?
Until it starts making a noise.
There'll be a bunch of slide offs in the morning. So bypass is in pretty bad shape, but this is a section that's always in bad shape. So we're going to come up to some lights, and you'll be able to see maybe just a little bit better how hard it is snowing. I'll put my brakes on for you. There you go.
See a little bit better.
I got to turn them off for this guy.
Pretty snow.
This is crazy right here.
Woo!
Holy smokes.
The wind has not stopped blowing. It's crazy windy. Crazy windy. Jeepers, that wind.
What's the issue with it?
Well, not many people out, which is good.
It's snowing so hard I can hear the snow hitting the windshield.
And a lot of restaurants over here, we saw a minute ago, have closed. So like there's the courtyard. And then we come back over here. You can hardly see at all. I can't get over this wind. It is kicking it.
So this section here, we just passed under Pleasant Valley Road onto 144. This section of the bypass is terrible. It's notorious for being terrible though. We've already seen, what, 2 wrecks on this stretch?
Yeah.
But I can't even tell where the road is.
That's why we're going home.
I mean, am I supposed to be over here? I would like to pull over and let this guy just go by. Looks like the winds on this stretch are probably blowing, what would you say, 30, 35 mile an hour?
Easy.
Hold on.
Hold on.
This guy behind me needs to stay away from me.
So I'm gonna keep this thing going because we're almost. Woo! Look at that wind blowing. Jeez. I don't know if y'all can see what we're seeing or not with this thing because it's flipping crazy. I'm gonna keep this thing going when we get to the house. I don't know. Usually it's really dark on the rip where we're at. It's really, really dark, but I'm hoping maybe
Just lost the stream.
we can see